Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to start quick play. In the beginning, from the main menu of the game, let's go to quick play. Here you can select Play Now, Pro Bowl and Superstar KO. Let's select Play Now, and here you can play match that are in the following weekend. You can also create custom game to start co-op couch match. Next, let's go to Pro Bowl. Pro Bowl is the official home of virtual Pro Bowl played by NFL stars during the Pro Bowl games. And Superstar KO is draft team of superstars and be the last one standing. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.